Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chung Social Tools channel. Today, I'm going to show you a software that helps you comment on Facebook using multiple accounts. This is the software. Let's begin with account management. This feature allows you to add and manage many Facebook accounts. As you can see, I already have more than 190 accounts added here. Now, to start auto-commenting, go to the comment function. Choose Comment on Post. First, I choose the account I want to use for commenting. Then I set the basic configuration, for example, the number of threads. Click Save. Next, I choose the comment content. Let's say I want to use this sentence. I paste it here and hit Save. Now I choose where to comment. The software supports multiple targets. Profile, comment on someone's personal timeline. Group, comment inside Facebook groups. Post ID, comment directly by a post's UID. Let's try commenting on a specific post. I get the UID of that post. UID is like an ID code for everything on Facebook. I copy it, paste it in, and press Save. Everything is ready. Now I choose the accounts I want to use and click Start. The software will begin the process automatically. You can see it logging in and posting comments. I refresh the target post and boom, the comment is there. That's how you use this tool to auto-comment on Facebook using multiple accounts. If you want more info, contact me via Telegram Tuchung MKT or WhatsApp. Links are in the comment section. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the Chung Social Tools channel.